Hello everyone! Say hello! Welcome to another episode of the Unseen Universe! Can you say the Unseen Universe? Today we're going to look at Legos. Do you like Legos? Yeah, what's your favorite? Yeah, you like the Legos, and we have a big box of Legos here with many different pieces. Would you like to take one out? Which one do you want to take out? Here, how come we can just dump it? Wow, look at all these Legos that we have here. We have a rover Lego. And oh, is that an excavator one?
Yes.
Oh, wow, yeah. That's one of your favorites, huh?
It's a boom.
Oh, yeah, the boom, the excavator boom. Ah, that's very interesting. Yeah, little window. See me. I see you. Yeah, so today we're going to take... That's what we're going to do. We're going to look inside the Lego. We're going to look very closely into one of these Legos. Now, I don't know if everyone knows this, but all the Legos have the little word Lego on it. Can you see the little Lego on it? Yeah, it says Lego on all the pieces. Lego, Lego, Lego. The motorcycle is broken. That's okay. We can fix it with the Legos. So we're going to take a look at the Legos and we're going to... We're going to take a really close look and we're going to start off right now. Okay, so let's take a look at the Lego sign. Look at that. Wow. Do you see the big Lego? Yeah, it's right there in that little light shining on the green Lego piece. Wow, isn't that interesting? Like that one. Yeah, this one also says Lego on it. Yeah, that's a yellow Lego. Yeah, which one is your favorite letter? That one? What letter do you like? L, E?
E.
The E? You like the E letter? The jail Lego piece. Oh my gosh, maybe we should look at this one next time.
Open the door.
Open the door? Okay, yeah. It's hard. So look at that one. There's green Lego piece and it has the Lego sign on it. And we can go closer. Should we go closer?
Yes.
Okay, well, here we go. We're going to spin the objective. We're going to spin the turret, okay? 3, 2, 1. Spin it. Look at that. Now we're looking at the other word, huh? It's getting closer and closer. It got bigger. Did the letter get bigger? Yes, beautiful?
Garbage can.
Oh, a garbage can, yeah. Yeah, look at that one. The G is bigger. What do you see? You got your own microscope? Yeah, what letter do you see now?
G.
A G. That's the G for the letter. Now it looks really massive and huge. Wow, are you using your glove? Yeah. Do you want to spin the next one?
Yes.
You want to spin it? Okay, you turn the turret. This is the turret, and it has all the objectives on it. Would you like to spin it? Okay, how about I hold you, and you spin it that way. Ready? 1, 2, no, this way, this way. Like that. Oh, there it is. It locked into place. That's the next one. Whoa, what are we looking at now? Oh my gosh, now we're getting really close. It's really green. Wow, look at that. Isn't that interesting? Yeah, that's all the Lego pieces. All of these little Lego pieces have that little word Lego on it. Yeah. Do they have, what does that say?
Lego.
Lego. Yeah, they all say. Yeah, look at all these little Lego pieces. We have so many here. Green, purple, pink. What is that one?
The house.
The house Lego piece. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Look at how pretty that little Lego piece is. Is that your favorite? Yeah. And so now we are at 20 times. That's the 20x objective. Open the door. Yes, baby?
Jail.
It's jail. Another jail. We thought this one was the jail Lego piece.
Yes.
Oh.
Jail.
Another jail. Why do you like jail so much? Oh, okay. Now, Osito, we can go one more time and get really close. Should we go to the final frontier? Yeah? Okay, here we go. We're going to spin the turret into the last objective piece. So we go like this.
Like that.
Oh my gosh, now we're really close. Whoa, look at that. You can see like little green specks. I don't know if that's the paint or the plastic. Yeah, small little dots. Do you see that? Tap, tap, tap. Wow, did you like looking at the Lego really close? Yes.
Like that.
Like that with your glove. And then, do you want to hold a little Lego piece like this and show everyone your favorite piece like that? Yeah? Oh, good. That's awesome. So, there you have it, folks. That's what the Lego looks like.
Like that. That.
Like that. Yeah, that's the way it looks like when you look up really close to the microscope. Like that. Really close? Like this. Okay. Can you say thank you? Bye-bye.
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 Bye.